has no right to draft you into the armed service.
Well, I would make that argument, but not here. Here's what's different. This is an affirmative compelling you to do something.
You have to do it.
Right.
Or will hurt you.
Or, right. And is the hurt a penalty or a tax? And the government fudged on whether it was a penalty or a tax.
Well, they said it was a tax, but who's buying that?
Nobody is. In fact, the opinion today says if
right.
this is a tax, it'll be the first tax in American history that doesn't apply
Everybody
to
knows
everybody.
that's bogus, and that was to get around the fact that the federal government. So you and I essentially agree here.
You must have been reading something that I wrote that caused you to make that brilliant comment a year ago.
My brilliant comment happened in August of 2009.
Right.
And that was exactly the time when Fox was trying to fire you for getting. No, I'm making that up. But I was way ahead. I was way ahead of everybody on this. And I'm not a constitutional scholar, but I do understand the country.
Remember this. There are 20 lawsuits. There have been 3 so far. 2 have gone the other way. This third one that came down today.
Did federal judges rule on the other 2?
Yes, and there are 17 other federal judges waiting to rule. I think the Supreme Court's going to wait until they all rule.
2 said, and this is a Republican judge, by the way, appointed by W.
Yes.
2 judges said, no, the feds can do this and force you to do it, and 1 judge has said, no, they can't.
Correct. There's a huge one coming down in January in Pensacola, Florida, where 20 states, including Virginia, are the plaintiffs.
Is it the same issue?
Yes, it's the same issue. It also addresses the other issues of can the Congress tell the states what they have to do to set up these medical exchanges and to pay for them.
But that gets to be really pinheady. I like to keep it simple. So you agree with me that the Constitution of the